Twister's Juncta presents
Quiz on human body muscles, the secrets behind these amazing feats of biology. Let's dive into the world of muscle marvels. What term is used to describe the phenomenon where muscles remember repetitive movements? Your options are muscle spasms, hypertrophy, atrophy, muscle memory. Muscle memory. Which muscle is the largest in the human body? Your options are
biceps brachii, gluteus maximus, quadriceps femoris, pectoralis major. Gluteus maximus.
What is the powerhouse of the cell essential for muscle contraction? Your options are mitochondria, nucleus, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum. Mitochondria. How many muscles does it take to smile? Your options are 5, 10, 17, 22. 17. Which muscle allows the eye to blink approximately 15 to 20 times per minute? Your options are orbicularis oculi, temporalis, zygomaticus, sternocleidos. Orbicularis oculi. What is the primary protein responsible for muscle contraction? Your options are actin, myosin, troponin, tropomyosin. Myosin. Which muscle is responsible for the range of motion in the shoulder joint? Your options are deltoid latissimus dorsi, trapezius, rhomboid. Deltoid. Which part of the brain plays a crucial role in coordinating muscle movements? Your options are cerebellum, hippocampus, amygdala, medulla. Cerebellum. Which muscle is responsible for maintaining posture and supporting the spine? Your options are spine muscles, trans abs rectus, abs obliques. Spine muscles. In prosthetics, what is the myoelectric control method primarily based on? Your options are electrical impulse Bluetooth signals, infrared radiation, radio frequency. Electrical impulses from muscles